Playworld. So today we're going to be making some crayon art, and these are the things we need. Crayons. I picked pinks, and JJ picked blues and greens. We have to have 2 canvases, some glue sticks, a glue gun, heating tool, and stickers. Make sure you have adult supervision using the tool.
5 minutes later.
First, we're going to show you how to do it. Step 1. First, we need our crayons, and then we need to glue them on the top of our canvas. Step 2. And then we're going to add some stickers to our canvas. Step 3. We're going to apply heat to our canvas. JJ, are you ready? Yeah, let's do our magic. Okay, but how are we going to do it? We're going to do like this. This is mine. I'm going to put my canvas on the easel, and then I'll start the heating process. Yep. It's so cool! JJ, you pushed me!
You're doing great.
It's so cool! Next, okay? Mom, guys!
That's so cool.
Like, comment, subscribe our channel, hit the bell. Done with my art. When it dries, I'm going to take my stickers off, and then it will show my name. JJ, is it your turn? Yeah. Go.
Okay, we're going to put the stickers off next.
You want to do it again? Let it dry and we'll be back. Bye! Hi guys, we're back and this is our final result. Cool, huh? I hope y'all liked my crayon art. Please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button. Bye! Hit the bell. See you next time. Bye!